Okay, now we will introduce the working handle for this machine. Okay, these are the RF working handles. Okay, and this is the 4-polar RF, and this one is the bipolar RF. Skin scrubber working handle, microdermabrasion working handle, and the hydrodermabrasion working handle. Okay, now we install the working handles. We just need to match these marks and insert the correct position. That will be okay. For example, now we will insert the EM face and body working handle to the correct position. Okay, we just need to match the hole, and then press. Last step, we just need to tie it. It is okay. And other working handles are the same. And for this wastewater bottle, when the water is beyond to the 3/4 of this bottle, we have to clean the wastewater inside. We have two solutions for you. One is we can remove all this bottle and then clean the water inside. Okay, just use your hand and then remove. But we have to insert well this bottle. Okay, the second solution for remove this water bottle inside is we can press these tips. We can use a towel. Okay, use a towel, press this button, then the water inside will come out. Okay, next we will install well the hydrodermabrasion working handle. Okay, when you want to remove this working handle, we have to press the black button and then pull out. Okay, the same operation. Press first and then pull out. When you want to insert again, just need to match the hole, the big tip to the big hole and the small tip to the small hole. Then will be okay. And this working handle is the same. Okay, this one is the skin scrubber working handle. Also the same operation, match the hole, press, last step, tie it. Will be okay. And for this big wastewater bottle, when you want to clean the water inside, we just need to remove the bottle and then clean the water. And please remember there are pressed ring inside, and make sure this ring should be here. Otherwise, it will influence the suction for the hydrodermabrasion or the microdermabrasion working handle. And then insert well again. Please tie it. Okay, there are 3 solution bottles for this machine. When you want to inject the water, we just need to remove. Okay. And then inject the water inside, then tie it again. It is okay. And another 2 solution bottles are the same operation. Okay, now we start the machine. Please press the green button behind of the machine. Then we will enter into this screen. First function, it is the RF. And here you can setting the treatment time, decrease or increase, and setting the strength. Okay, there are total 7 levels for this RF working handles. After setting that, just press start button. It is okay. And then next one is the 4-polar RF. The same operation, setting the treatment time and setting the strength. Start. That will be fine. And this one also the RF, the same operation. And the bipolar RF, the same. Okay, you can set it by yourself. Start. The same operation for this RF. And for the skin scrubber, we just need to setting the same, and this is the mode setting. Okay, after setting, press start button and then press the start button on the working handle. Okay. this is the continue mode. You can choose any one of you, which one you like. And last one is the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion. First step, we should choose the solution bottle, okay? And then setting time, press start button. You see that? And we can also setting the vacuum suction level for this button and the water flow level for this button. Okay, for the hydrodermabrasion working handle and the microdermabrasion handle, they are using the same hole behind of the machine. When you want to use the microdermabrasion, we just need to remove the hydrodermabrasion and then insert the micro handle to the correct position. That will be fine. Okay, for the skin scrubber treatment, first step we should use some pure power on the treatment part, okay? And then press this button on the working handles. Then we can start the treatment. Working handle is the hydrodermabrasion working handle. We just need to press the start button on the screen and then use this working handle on the treatment part. Then we'll be okay. Next one is the microdermabrasion working handle, and the same principle for the with the hydrodermabrasion working handle. Also, when we start this button, we just need to use on the treatment part. That will be okay. Okay, next treatment we will do the RF. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Okay, this one is the 4-polar RF. Okay, before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on your treatment part and then press this start button and then do the treatment on the treatment area. Okay, this working handle is the bipolar RF. And then before this treatment, we have to press this button and then do the treatment on your treatment part. Okay, these 3 working handles are for the face and the body. You can choose any one of it to the treatment area. Okay, this one you can use on the body, and this 2 you can use on the face. Okay, now we will do this working handle on the eyes. Okay, before the treatment, we should press this button, same operation, and then work around the eye.